Today is Friday, February 3rd, and this is the Morpheus Trading Group Daily Stock Pick video. In today's session, we're going to go over one of our preset scans that identifies stocks that are trading in a tight range near 52-week highs. This is a relative strength / momentum scan. We are looking for stocks that are in a well-defined uptrend with the 20-day moving average above the 50 and the 50-day moving average above the 200-day MA, and the 50 and 200-day moving averages are sloping higher. So let's get to the scan. We go to the Preset Scans tab within our screener software. We select Relative Strength Breakout. We click on More Options for Price Range and Volume. And we click Scan Now. And we have 65 results. Now we've already scanned through this list and found a few setups that we like. And first up is AKRX, Acorn. Now we've mentioned this setup a few times this week, and it's still valid. It's hanging out right near the highs. We look for a move over the 2-day high and a stop beneath the most recent swing low. And we look for a move to new highs, somewhere around a 15 to 20% move as a target. Next up is Jazz, J-A-Z-Z. Jazz Pharmaceuticals broke a downtrend line back in late December and rallied to the prior high, and now is forming a tight base at the highs here. We definitely like the price action, and we look for a buy entry over the range high with the stop beneath the range low. Those who subscribe to our newsletter, we have a way that we identify early entry pivots that get us in ahead of the crowd who buy at the obvious pivot point here, which is at the new highs. But as we know, the breakout entry is still valid, and for a stock to go higher, it has to break out and hold. So above the range high is the entry. Next up is VVUS, VVUS. We really like the price action here after it gapped up to new highs. The 20-day moving average has caught up, and we look for the price action to creep back up to the prior high and maybe form 1 or 2 days of tight sideways action before it breaks out to new highs, and look for a 15 to 20% move on the breakout. The last setup is PNRA, and we really like the tight price action of PNRA, which is basically forming a base right now on top of the prior base. Here's the new base, and here was the prior base. We could see PNRA consolidate for a few more days, maybe pull back to the 20-day EMA, so this is one to keep an eye on as well. We look for a breakout entry above the range high. So there you have it, a few potential long setups for today and for next week as well. To receive our exact entry prices, stop prices, and target prices for the stocks and ETFs discussed in this video, as well as to see our top-ranked daily picks, sign up for our exclusive newsletter at morpheustrading.com. Thank you for joining us, and good luck with your trading, and we'll see you again with the next Morpheus Trading Group Daily Stock Pick video.